Guadalajara, and we're about to take a day trip to Tequila, but Oscar still doesn't know, so I'm about to give him his third card, and he's about to open it right now.
I always try to open it the wrong way. A journey to Jalisco is not complete without enough shots of tequila to knock you off your feet. Oh my God. Well, there's a town called Tequila.
That's where all the tequila originated from. And we're about to go, and we're gonna sample young tequila, old tequila.
Oh wow. You guys ready?
I am.
She's
I'm
ready.
Most excited for this.
You guys better stay tuned.
So we've made it to our first stop at Tres Mujeres Tequila. About to start our tour in about 10 minutes.
This is the saying of the trip.
My wife beats me, but it's for my own good.
Tequila is a pueblo mágico located 45 minutes outside of Guadalajara. Once here, you can choose to go on any of the number of tours available at one of the many tequila distilleries around the area. Here, they will teach you about the tequila making process, the difference between the types of tequila, and of course, the opportunity to try their world-famous tequila for yourself.
Lots of samples of tequila if you ever want to come. Amazing experience. They take you down into the caves where they age the tequila. Now we're going to the actual town of Tequila.
This is what I come to Mexico for.
And she just cut it fresh and everything for us.
So good.
And it was like 35 pesos for this whole thing of freshly cut fruit.
Non-GMO. Totally organic.
We're gonna take a tour throughout Tequila, and we're gonna go to the agave fields.
Once you get to the main plaza, there's a bunch of people selling you tours. It's about 150 pesos per person, which is what, like $7? The reason why we chose the one we're about to do is because they take you to the agave fields. So we're just waiting for another like 20 minutes, and then our little bus is gonna come pick us up, and we're gonna go.
Dressed to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way.
We're going to the restaurant Cofradia, and we're just passing by the hotel. It's called Matices.
And they have the tequila barrels as hotel rooms. But now we are going to do what?
I'm gonna go eat, finally.
You guys excited?
Yes.
We've been waiting to eat for like
3 years.
3 years.
We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way.
We are at El Güero, a place where you get your cantarito, which is that mixed drink that has the squirt, the lime, the grapefruit, orange. It's just a big old mixed drink. But look at all the different sizes there are. That's crazy. We're gonna spend the next, I don't know, like hour maybe here, and then after that we'll head home.
Muy bien.
No.
All that juice at the bottom.
Hielito para la calor. Para que no se nos enfermen. Que vaquitos, que se entiendan entre ustedes. Quedaron bien cargaditos, compa. Pruébenme,
Muchas
dígame qué les hizo falta.
gracias. Bibi. Hi. Hi. Hi, boobies. The final card.
It's our last day here. Which road should we take? How about the one that takes us to Mexico's largest lake? Oh, wow. What is it? Chapala?
Chapala.
Chapala. Lake Chapala.
I don't know, are we? We're in the lake, but there's no swimming.
We're here at El Chololo, which is like one of the most famous birria restaurants in Guadalajara. To Chapala and Lake Chapala. We're just walking down one of the piers here to the end to see what the view looks like. It's freaking huge. This is a massive lake and we're just gonna spend the day exploring here and see what else we find. And then later I think we're gonna take a boat tour and grab some food at one of the popular restaurants. How do you say it? Ajijic? We're gonna head to Ajijic. Ate at El Carnal on Lake Chapala. Food was not the greatest here, but the food does come with a free boat ride. Well, so it's included in your meal. Yeah, we're taking advantage.
Taking advantage of the boat ride.
It looks nice.
Views are great. Food was nice to look at on the menu.
We're being mean, but in all honesty, I would not.
The water was good.
I would not recommend this place. The view is nice. So now we're gonna go on this boat ride and enjoy the rest of our evening.
So that's going to conclude our trip to Guadalajara. If you haven't already, make sure you check out our first video in the series where we explore downtown Guadalajara and Tlaquepaque. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any aerial views.